So you want some tips on how to lose weight on a vegan lifestyle? Well, stay tuned. Now, weight loss on a vegan lifestyle is something that I think can be easily done once you know the right principles. And the first thing I would say is look to your food and ask yourself, does this contain oil? That would be the first one. Ask, does your food contain any oil? So oil is a refined food. It's a calorically dense food. It's a food that doesn't. It's a food item that doesn't add satiation to the meal. A lot of people say it adds flavor and stuff like that, which is also not true. The flavor comes from the salt and the herbs and the seasonings that you put on it. Oil is a good carrier of flavor, but that doesn't mean the food lacks flavor if you don't put oil. You can still have tons of flavorful foods. So if you want to lose weight, cutting oil from your lifestyle is a really key aspect to that. The next one is making sure you're eating enough carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is not cakes, buns, and cookies. Carbohydrates in the form of fruits, tons of fruits, bananas, dates, all the different berries, apples, etc. And you want to be making sure you're eating tons of vegetables, lots of green vegetables, cruciferous vegetables, lots of salads. And what the fruit and the vegetables will do, that'll keep you satiated and it'll also keep you full. Fruits and vegetables have tons of fiber in them, and not only that, but it'll make you feel good. You won't feel deprived whenever you're eating enough calories, and a good indication that you're eating enough is that you don't have cravings for nasty food, junk food. You'll just be satiated and satisfied. I find that the more hungry I am, the easier it is for my brain to look towards junkier foods than say whenever I'm satiated and I am full. You don't have to go crazy, try to do like 3,000-4,000 calories, etc. if that doesn't suit your lifestyle. But make sure to eat enough on a consistent basis. So with eliminating the oil and getting in more fruits and more vegetables, you're eating enough, you're getting enough veggies, so you're satiated and satisfied and you're full. The next one would be to exercise, and pick an exercise that you enjoy. Arnold Ehret talks about walking, dancing, and singing. And for me, I love walking, love getting out into nature. I think humans were very adapted to walking. Dancing is a really fun one, but get into fitness. Some people like to do weights, yoga. Highly recommend yoga. I highly recommend something that builds your strength. I like body weight exercises. So get into some form of fitness. This is not necessary because there are people who they prioritize exercise over what they eat, and that is a losing battle, especially if what you eat isn't conducive to helping you lose weight. So I would say exercise is great. Exercise is fantastic. Exercise helps you to tone up, helps you to lose weight quicker if you've got some weight to lose and you're combining that with a plant-based lifestyle like I've suggested. Exercise is a great one to add to your arsenal. And the last one is stay inspired, watch motivational content, listen to some podcasts in relation to this lifestyle, and enjoy the process. And the bonus one is don't be too hard on yourself. It's all about transitioning. It's all about taking you from where you are now to where you want to be. Recognize that the vision is grand enough. Seeing yourself fit, healthy, strong, toned reduces your chances of chronic illnesses. Just having energy, having tasty, beautiful, delicious foods that are amazing for you. This is the goal, and recognize that along this journey, sometimes you're gonna slip up. Sometimes you're gonna have a day where where you haven't been too prepared and you cheat on it and you feel crappy, and then sometimes this is the point where people throw in the towel. But I'm saying don't be too hard on yourself. Recognize that it's all a transition, and the only person you should be comparing yourself with is who you were previously. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching this video. If you do want recipes, and if you do want extra help in terms of sort of weight loss coaching, I'm taking on weight loss clients, and I've got a recipe ebook that contains oil-free, high-carb, low-fat vegan meals. It's also gluten-free, and it doesn't contain any nuts. I made it in a way that's universally sort of acceptable. And that can help you in relation to thinking of recipes and ideas that can help you lose weight and stay full, stay satiated. So with that being said, peace, love, veganism. Link is in the bio for the ebook, and message me on Instagram saying I'm ready, or weight loss, if you want that additional service of coaching. Just help you mentor you, share with you what I've learned along my journey, and help hold you accountable. So that being said, peace, love, veganism. I'm out.